Copywriting principles and writing advertising content. Crafting compelling copy, the art of writing advertising content. Picture this: you're a wordsmith wielding the power of language to weave tales that captivate, persuade, and inspire. In the world of advertising, your words are the magic bullets that hit their mark, influencing consumer behavior and driving brand success. Effective advertising copy is not just about stringing words together, it's about crafting a message that resonates with your audience on an emotional level. It's about understanding their needs, desires, and pain points, and then speaking their language in a way that is both compelling and relevant. To master the art of advertising copywriting, let's delve into some key principles and practical tips that will transform you into a wordsmith extraordinaire. 1. Know your audience, the foundation of effective copy. Before you start crafting your copy, it's crucial to understand your target audience. Who are they? What are their demographics, interests, values, and pain points? What motivates them? What kind of language do they respond to? Conduct thorough market research to gain insights into your audience's behavior and preferences. Analyze their online activity, social media engagement, and purchase patterns. Understand their aspirations, frustrations, and the challenges they face in their daily lives. Once you have a deep understanding of your audience, you can tailor your copy to their specific needs and interests. This will make your message more relevant and engaging, increasing the likelihood that it will resonate with them. 2. Grab attention from the start, the power of first impressions. In today's fast-paced world, you have mere seconds to capture your audience's attention. Your opening lines or visuals must be strong enough to make them stop, listen, and read further. Use a strong headline that is both attention-grabbing and relevant to your message. Consider using a surprising statement, a thought-provoking question, or a relevant keyword that sparks curiosity. The first few sentences of your copy should be equally engaging. They should quickly introduce the topic, highlight the benefits, and create a sense of urgency or intrigue. Remember, you only have one chance to make a first impression, so make it count. 3. Tell a compelling story, the art of narrative engagement. Humans are hardwired for stories. We connect with narratives on an emotional level, and they have the power to transport us to different worlds, teach us valuable lessons, and evoke strong emotions. Incorporate storytelling into your advertising copy to create a more engaging and memorable experience for your audience. Share real-life stories of how your product or service has benefited others, or create fictional narratives that embody the values and aspirations of your brand. Use vivid language, descriptive details, and emotional appeals to bring your stories to life. Make your audience feel the joy, excitement, or relief that your product or service can provide. Stories have the power to connect with your audience on a deeper level, making your message more impactful and memorable. 4. Highlight the benefits, focus on what matters to your audience. Don't just tell your audience about your product or service, tell them why they should care. Focus on the tangible benefits that your offering can provide, addressing the pain points and desires of your target audience. Use strong action verbs to describe the benefits. Instead of saying our product is durable, say our product withstands daily wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance. Quantify the benefits whenever possible. Numbers add credibility and make your claims more impactful. For example, instead of saying our service saves you time, say our service saves you an average of 20 hours per month. Remember, your audience is not interested in your product's features, they're interested in the benefits it can bring to their lives. 5. Use a strong call to action, tell them what you want. Don't leave your audience wondering what to do next. Clearly tell them what you want them to do, whether it's visiting your website, making a purchase, or signing up for a newsletter. Use a strong and direct call to action, CTA. Avoid generic phrases like learn more or click here instead. Use specific and action-oriented language like visit our website now, buy now, or sign up today. Make your CTA visually appealing and easy to find. Use a contrasting color, a bold font, or a button that stands out from the rest of the content. And a strong CTA can make a significant difference in the effectiveness of your advertising copy. Don't miss out on the opportunity to convert your audience into customers. 6. Proofread carefully the importance of attention to detail. Once you've crafted your advertising copy, it's crucial to proofread it carefully for any errors. Typos, grammatical mistakes, and inconsistencies can make your message unprofessional and undermine your credibility. Here are some tips for effective proofreading. Read your copy aloud. This can help you to catch errors that you might not see when you're reading silently. Take a break and come back to your copy later. This will help you to see it with fresh eyes and spot any mistakes you might have missed. Use a spell checker and grammar checker. These tools can help you to identify potential errors, but they are not foolproof. Ask someone else to proofread your copy. A second pair of eyes can help you to catch errors that you might have overlooked. Proofreading is an essential step in the writing process. It can help you to ensure that your advertising copy is clear, concise, and error-free, making a positive impression on your audience. By following these key principles and practical tips, you can craft compelling advertising copy that resonates with your audience, drives engagement, and achieves your marketing goals. Remember, effective advertising copywriting is an art that requires practice and refinement. Keep experimenting, learning from your successes and failures, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a wordsmith extraordinaire.